Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Engine oil pressure is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's health and preventing overheating. In this informative guide, we'll delve into the significance of engine oil pressure, understand its role in preventing engine overheating, and explore measures to ensure optimal oil pressure levels. Please do give us a like, share, comment, and please subscribe to our channel. Join us as we uncover the importance of oil pressure, recognize signs of low pressure, and learn preventive steps to safeguard your engine from overheating. Understanding engine oil pressure and preventing engine overheating. Engine overheating can be a serious issue for any vehicle owner. When your engine overheats, it can lead to a drop in oil pressure, causing potential damage to your engine. Understanding the relationship between engine overheating and oil pressure is crucial for maintaining the health of your vehicle. In this video, we will delve into the causes of engine overheating, the impact on oil pressure, and essential steps to prevent potential damage to your engine. Understanding these key factors can help you address issues before they become costly problems. Understanding engine oil pressure. What is engine oil pressure? Engine oil pressure is the force exerted on the oil by the oil pump within the engine. It is the measure of the resistance to flow, indicating how effectively the oil is circulating to lubricate engine components. Importance of proper oil pressure. Proper oil pressure is crucial for ensuring that the engine is adequately lubricated and cooled. It helps to prevent friction between moving parts and reduces heat generated during engine operation. Maintaining optimal oil pressure is essential for the longevity and performance of the engine. Insufficient oil pressure can lead to increased wear and tear, overheating, and potential engine failure. Causes of engine overheating. Low oil levels. When your engine is running low on oil, it loses the necessary lubrication to reduce friction and heat generation. Without enough oil, the metal parts of the engine can grind against each other, resulting in increased friction and heat. This can lead to overheating, causing potential damage to the engine components. Oil viscosity. The viscosity of the oil plays a crucial role in maintaining the engine's temperature. If the oil is too thin, it may not provide sufficient lubrication and cooling. On the other hand, if the oil is too thick, it may not flow properly and lead to overheating. It's important to use the oil viscosity recommended by the manufacturer to ensure optimal engine performance. Faulty oil pump. The oil pump is responsible for circulating oil throughout the engine to keep the moving parts lubricated and cool. A faulty oil pump may fail to distribute oil effectively, leading to inadequate lubrication and increased friction, which can result in engine overheating. Clogged oil filter. A clogged oil filter can restrict the flow of oil to the engine, causing a buildup of heat due to inadequate lubrication. Over time, the accumulation of debris and contaminants in the oil filter can impede the oil flow, leading to potential engine overheating. I crafted the content as per your request. Effects of overheating on oil pressure. Oil thinning. When the engine overheats, the oil can thin out, causing it to lose its viscosity and lubricating properties. This results in the oil being less effective at protecting the engine components, leading to increased friction and heat. As a result, the oil pressure can drop, causing potential damage to the engine's moving parts. Decreased lubrication. Engine overheating can lead to a decrease in oil pressure, which in turn reduces the amount of oil being circulated to lubricate the engine components. This diminished lubrication can result in increased friction and wear between the metal surfaces, further exacerbating the issues caused by overheating. Engine wear and tear. Overheating can accelerate the wear and tear of engine components due to the decrease in oil pressure and lubrication. The lack of proper lubrication can lead to increased metal-to-metal contact, causing damage to vital engine parts such as bearings, pistons, and crankshafts. This can lead to long-term damage and potentially result in costly repairs. By understanding the effects of overheating on oil pressure, it becomes clear that maintaining proper engine temperature is crucial for preserving the integrity and longevity of the engine. Hey there! If you like this topic, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might dig this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Let's continue. Signs of low oil pressure: illuminated oil pressure warning light. When your engine's oil pressure is too low, the first sign may be an illuminated oil pressure warning light on your dashboard. This is a crucial indicator that should never be ignored. The warning light is designed to catch your attention and prompt you to take immediate action to prevent potential damage to your engine. Engine noise: another sign of low oil pressure is unusual engine noise. As oil pressure decreases, the engine may start producing knocking or tapping sounds. This occurs because the engine components are not being properly lubricated, leading to increased friction and metal-on-metal contact. If you notice these sounds, it's essential to address the issue promptly to avoid further damage to the engine. Low oil pressure gauge reading: monitoring the oil pressure gauge can provide valuable insights into the health of your engine. A low oil pressure reading on the gauge indicates that the oil is not circulating at the required pressure, potentially leading to engine damage. Keeping an eye on the oil pressure gauge can help you identify issues early and take proactive measures to avoid costly repairs. When faced with any of these signs of low oil pressure, it's crucial to address the issue promptly to prevent potential damage to your engine. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to warning signs can help ensure the longevity and performance of your vehicle. Preventive maintenance: regular oil changes. A crucial aspect of preventing engine overheating and maintaining oil pressure is adhering to a routine oil change schedule. Regular oil changes ensure that the engine's components are adequately lubricated, reducing friction and heat generation. This practice also prevents the oil from breaking down and losing its effectiveness in heat dissipation and lubrication. Monitoring oil levels. Consistently monitoring oil levels is imperative for preventing engine overheating. Low oil levels can lead to increased friction and heat, potentially causing damage to the engine. Regularly checking oil levels and topping up as necessary can safeguard the engine against overheating and maintain the oil pressure within the optimal range. Using the correct oil viscosity. Selecting the appropriate oil viscosity for the vehicle is essential in maintaining optimal oil pressure and preventing engine overheating. Using the manufacturer-recommended oil viscosity ensures that the oil can effectively lubricate the engine's components, reducing friction and heat buildup. Using the wrong viscosity can lead to inadequate lubrication, potentially resulting in overheating and decreased oil pressure. By implementing these preventive maintenance measures, you can effectively mitigate the risk of engine overheating and maintain optimal oil pressure, ensuring the longevity and performance of your vehicle. Addressing engine overheating. Checking for coolant leaks. When addressing engine overheating, the first step is to check for coolant leaks. Start by inspecting the ground where the vehicle is usually parked for any signs of puddles or stains, which could indicate a leaking coolant system. Additionally, visually examine hoses, clamps, and the radiator for any signs of leaks. If there are no visible leaks, move on to the next step. Inspecting the cooling system. The next step is to inspect the overall cooling system. Begin by checking the coolant level in the overflow tank. If the level is low, it may indicate a leak or another underlying issue. Visually examine the radiator and coolant hoses for any signs of damage, such as cracks or bulges, which could lead to coolant loss. Furthermore, ensure that the radiator cap is in good condition and functioning properly. If any issues are detected during these visual inspections, it's crucial to address them promptly to prevent further overheating problems. Professional diagnosis and repair. If no visible coolant leaks or issues are found during the initial checks, it's advisable to seek professional diagnosis and repair. A qualified mechanic can perform a thorough inspection of the cooling system, including pressure testing for leaks, checking the thermostat, and examining the water pump for any issues. A professional diagnosis can pinpoint the exact cause of the overheating and ensure that the necessary repairs are carried out effectively. It's important not to overlook or delay seeking professional assistance when dealing with engine overheating to prevent potential damage to the vehicle's engine. In the end, monitoring your oil pressure is crucial in preventing engine overheating. By understanding the relationship between oil pressure and engine temperature, you can take proactive measures to maintain your vehicle's performance and prevent costly repairs. Regularly checking oil levels, using high-quality oil, and ensuring proper engine maintenance are essential in safeguarding against engine overheating. Prioritizing these simple tasks can significantly prolong the lifespan of your vehicle and save you from potential breakdowns on the road. Thank you for exploring our guide on understanding engine oil pressure and its role in preventing engine overheating. By comprehending the significance of maintaining proper oil pressure, you're better equipped to prevent overheating issues and ensure your engine's longevity. Stay tuned for more insightful automotive maintenance tips and troubleshooting guides. Remember, maintaining optimal oil pressure is key to preventing engine overheating and preserving your engine's health. Keep your oil levels in check for a reliable and smooth driving experience. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.